Hello everyone, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to see electrolyte capacitor. So we know in capacitor there are so many types. So first one is the paper capacitor, which is of very small value, that is 0.1 to 0.01 microfarad, and the second one is little bit higher, that is variable type of capacitor, so it is 10 to 20 microfarad or it can be above also. And the third one is electrolyte, that is electrolyte capacitor, which has got two leads, and its value is also a moderate. And then comes the final, which has got very high value, that is parallel plate capacitor, so its capacitance will be in the form of megafarads. So about variable capacitor and parallel plate capacitor I have discussed already, so if you have not seen the video, please check the playlist, you can find the same here. So in this video we will see what is meant by electrolyte capacitor and the structure for that, and practically how it looks like. So practical things are very important, so we will see how a actual capacitor, that is electrolyte capacitor, will look like. So let us see first the structure of the electrolyte capacitor. So a capacitor has got the this is the outward case which will be protecting it from the outer environment. Then it has got positive, that is positive lug it's called, so it is anode foil. So this is the anode foil, and the second one is the cathode foil, and in between the anode and cathode there is a separator, so it will be of insulating type and it is placed in between them. So for the anode, that is a the metal strip is connected, that is generally made up of aluminum, and it is cold welded to the anode. So these tissue here and this metal foil are cold welded to each other, so that forms the anode of the capacitor. And the similarly same thing is done to the cathode also. So aluminum rod is taken and it is cold welded to the cathode foil as well. So all these things will be covered with the tissue, so that is to protect these things. Okay, so here as we can see, anode is made up of pure aluminum, so it is each to increase the surface area. Okay, so cathode is made up of high absorption paper mixed with electrolyte. So cathode is made up of high absorption paper mixed with electrolyte here. So now the question arises, how an actual electrolyte capacitor will be looking like. So for that we are having a capacitor here. So this is how a actual capacitor is, and it has got two leads. The first one is the negative, which is having lower length, and the second one is the positive, which is having a higher length. Okay, so it is the capacitor whose value is, okay, so it has got a value of 4.7 microfarad. So this capacitor has got the value of 4.7 microfarad here. So this is how a actual capacitor will looks like. So this is the negative, which is having shorter length, and this is the positive. So this is the outer case or tissue, as you can see here, and inside it there will be three layers. So one is the anode, one is cathode, and the one which will be protecting these two from each other, so that is the separator which will be separating them from each other. So this is how a electrolyte capacitor will be looking like. And as you can see, I also have a variable type of capacitor. So this is the variable type of capacitor, which has got three leads here, 1, 2 and 3. So it is the notch which is used to vary the capacitance of the capacitor. So these are the some of examples how the electrolyte and variable type of capacitors are looking like. So I hope you like the video. Please guys, hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel, and like the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.